In C#, a variable is a unit which contains information for a specific data type. Variables have predefined data types such as byte, sbyte, short, ushort, int, uint, long, ulong, float, double, decimal, char, bool, object, string, and datetime. Int, long, float, double, bool, and string are the most common types found in practice. To declare a variable, we specify the type, then give it a name, and then we assign a value using equal sign. We can use keyword var instead of specifying a type when we want our variable to be the same type as assignee. Variables have the following naming conventions. Variable names must be unique. Variable names must start with a letter or underscore. Variable names can only contain letters, digits, and underscore. Variables must use a prefix if it contains a reserved C# keyword. Variable names are case-sensitive. Variables have the following rules. Declared variable data type must match the value. Variables can be declared and initialized later. Variables must have a value set before being used. Variables of the same type can be declared and initialized in the same line separated by commas. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful developer journey.